everything over there, half and half, some powder stuff I didn't even know.
No, let him do it.
No, I just want to smell it. Oh, you're gonna do it?
All right, back up. No, Ryan,
It's like laundry detergent.
back up. Everyone back the fuck up.
Ryan, smell it.
Hey, Finkler, if you're getting close, you gotta climb this shit and rocket it off.
I might need to drink some.
Ryan, how come you're so much a pussy compared to your brother?
Drink in the
Ryan,
mix.
take a little bit. You can see it?
I don't care. Your brother's hardcore.
Water.
He ate a lot more than I did.
Eric.
Oh, he's gonna try. Wait. Hey, oh!
Be home soon.
What is that?
Hey.
Your brother's got balls, dude.
Chug. What is it? Chug.
It's everything. Have all this soda.
Yo, I'd back up off Little Man, dude. I would have said something.
No, take it. Come on, little man.
That's what she said.
He's got a mustache. Dude,
Oh, God.
go. Finish it. Take it home.
He's the next Ryan Pinky, bro. He might be.
Oh!
That was hilarious. He puked for mini dude. Almost got it down.
Oh, Ryan, you just found your little mini me right there.
You got me. Give me one of those. Eric. Come on.
Ryan, I think you need to look up to him.
Yeah.
I don't even know the cup though. I'm just gonna squeeze it out of you, dude.
That's gross. Don't do that to him.
Give me refill.
Ryan, go get it.
Go get it for me. I can't go in there. I'm up. Yeah, man. This is like flowers. No. Where the fuck is the potpourri?
Where's the potpourri?
Alex. Not working. She just like.
Yo, good?
Was that all there? Something on my finger. What's that? You know what it looks like elephants in the street. I'll bark with you, man.
You guys should make like a fucking like symphony.
Man, hey, just smell his fingers and it'll come right out.
Eric. Oh, Little Man.
Hey, dude, you don't have any more to puke. I love it.
That's a pizza.
Oh, shit. Oh! You sound like a fucking squid.
Dude, you're gonna. Pancreas is gonna come out.
He's got like intestines hanging out of his fucking mouth. That's what it sounds. Dude, you're gonna fucking laugh your ass off when you hear yourself, dude.
Eric Bennett?
Pig burp contest.
Alright, burp.
Hey, who's in the burp contest?
Burp?
Yeah.
What? Oh.
Eric.
Alright, who's going first?
What was that?
Wait, Ryan.
Quiet!
Hey, Eric, what was in the drink?
Shit.
Everything there is to drink in there.
Well, man, you can do it.
Hey, Ryan,
Yeah,
you want
I
it?
don't want you barf from me when
Ryan, do you want it?
Yeah, I want it. Small meat you have.
I'll see y'all later.
You leaving already? I'm barfing again.
Ryan!
Big Mac?
Austin, you scared or what?
Huh?
You look confused like you want
If I'm not sleeping, yes. I probably gotta edit it into clips though.
I'm getting what this kid. Oh my god, you know what I mean?
Just like you every night for another guy.
Oh man, I'm gonna be shitting myself.
Ah!
Oh look, it's shiny.
Just don't touch me then, I'll get close to it. Don't touch me.
I won't touch it.
Ew, dude, you can see it glaring.
I gotta see this before we leave.
Alright,
There's-
it's gonna come out the other end. I should just unload right